Hello and welcome to another update video about Verasity. So after the dip that we've seen here into the support region, very sharp dip, yeah, the price starts to reverse or is already reversing. Crazy volatility at the moment in the crypto market. And yeah, it seems like we continue our pathway higher in wave 3. Pretty much no change in wave count needed. I just don't have a reliable micro count, okay? So this is as small as it gets. The chart is already not terribly clear on this time frame, so we shouldn't try to make something up. The problem is if you already have somewhat messy structures on this kind of daily time frame, then the smaller time frame structures, they are not clearer, okay? They can be quite a mess. And the thing is, you get a lot of different possible interpretations. But I think this has served as well. We've had an initial 1-2 setup. The price reversed in the support zone. Another 1-2 setup. And now we've seen this support area hold as well. The third of a third wave usually tends to reach, it doesn't have to, but it tends to reach the 100% extension level of the initial wave 1. So that's typically an important resistance level. So this initial 1-2 setup, the 100% extension is at 2.09 cents. So basically 2.1 cents. And then we should get a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5. And that wave 5 ideally reaches 4 cents. These are, I think, the next two main targets or parameters to the upside that we should watch. And in addition to that, we can use the smaller degree 1-2 setup, which developed between September last year and the December top. Well, that wave 1 developed then, and then we had a wave 2 pullback into the January lows. So we can use that to calculate possibly additional targets for wave 3. So, and here you can see actually this wave 3 already reached the minimum. The 1.236 extension and the 1.38 actually the ideal target. Okay, so maybe, I mean, it could finish at any point, this third wave. Here you see the importance of checking sort of different ways of measurements. But the 1.38 extension, which is now at 1.57 cents, which generates some short-term resistance here, well, it's typically only the first ideal target, yeah? The first ideal target, they can always extend a bit higher. And the next extension is at 1.93 cents. Then obviously we've got that 2.1 cent level. And then we have another one at 2.2 cents. So I think, you know, these are the next levels to watch. It's just that the larger degree levels, they have definitely relevance. So here, the 2.1 cent level is definitely a milestone target on the chart. And then the 4 cent level. So these are definitely the next levels to watch. And then if we go to the 4-hour chart, you see here that the market dipped into this support area, basically maxed it out, sharp reversal. And it now takes a break above that 1.6 cent level to confirm that we have, or that we're continuing with the third wave. I would assume that at this stage, that we're now continuing with this third wave. Technically, it's possible that this here develops some kind of a triangle pattern or so, but I think we're on a good way of breaking out the way this looks. We have the momentum. Yeah, we have quite a good day generally across the crypto sector at the moment. Yeah, and yeah, I don't think there's much more to say. I think we talked about targets. Just be aware that obviously these structures at some point they will break most likely. But even here, even after reaching the 4 cent mark, which again is only the first ideal target for the larger third wave, we should get another 4 and another 5 that can even send us higher to possibly, yeah, 8 cents, maybe even 11 cents. So talking about a 10x if the, well, not quite a 10x, but it was a 10x. But, you know, sort of still 5 to 10x if this structure alone fills in. And that doesn't need to be the bull market top. I mean, there can be more. For example, after the next deeper pullback, yeah, we're not even in all-time high territory or just about when we get to that 1.786 extension level. So as I said before, I don't believe the overall projections here. They are just mathematical projections, completely unrealistic. But let's see if those 5 waves fill in. Then we can see if another pullback holds, and then we can go even higher. But yeah, it's interesting. I think we're finally breaking out of these ranges across the sector. I think we're still early. And before people realize what's happening, most people, yeah, just, it's gone, Only, a lot of people are coming into the space now naturally because Bitcoin is, well, making new all-time highs. That's how it was in previous cycles before as well. When Bitcoin was in all-time high territory, that's when people get interested. And the altcoins haven't really run a lot. So that's what makes the space so interesting at the moment. Yeah, that's my update about VRA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.